Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video about airbags. So what happens to an airbag module like this after if you have a crash or anything. So the scenario is you've had a crash, you take it to the body shop or the mechanic's having a look at it. They replace all the airbags on the vehicle, so the steering wheel airbag went off, for instance, the passenger airbag went off, the side curtains went off. They've replaced all the parts, the dashboard's been replaced, everything's been replaced. They go in with a diagnostic machine and it still shows that there's an error. So the error that I'm probably showing is crash data. So what happens is, this is the brains of the airbag module, airbag. So all the airbags are ignited by a module like this. Normally sits in between the two front seats. And what this unit does is that it senses any crash and obviously expose whichever airbag it needs to. But what it also does, inside the memory of this, it stores that you've had a crash. It's almost like a black box. So once it has a crash, you can't erase the crash data from this module with a normal diagnostic machine. Most of them won't do it. So what we do is, if you send us these units, obviously you have to replace everything on the vehicle, send us these units, and what we'll do, we'll go to the data of it and we'll remove the crash data from it, so it's not been in a crash ever. And then you can put it back into the vehicle, do a soft reset on the fault codes, and it should be good to go, as long as you've replaced all the bits that need replacing on the vehicle that have ignited. So if you get any of these in, please just send us the part, and then we'll do the work for you. As always, thanks for watching the video. If you like watching these type of videos, then please like and subscribe.